F1 Manager 23 is out this week, and we got early access to find out what the game is all about, what's new, and what you can expect when you the fans get your hands on the game. So here's 5 things to expect from F1 Manager 2023. If you're a beginner, no need to worry. F1 Manager may be detailed, but their tutorials help newer players and fans grow into the game. When we spoke to game director Andy Fletcher, he emphasised how easy it was for newcomers to find their way. So whether you're a veteran or a rookie, don't worry, the game has you covered. Drivers can crash, and your decisions affect them. Yes, you can influence their racing decisions and style, whether that be attacking or defending, or perhaps saving fuel on a hot lap. And also, their confidence can be altered by your decisions, including changing their setup throughout the free practice sessions. But there is nothing that can be done to stop driver error, with drivers colliding on track just like they would in real life, and it's your job to salvage whatever you can. You've got to be switched on. No time for slacking. Just like a team principal or CEO, there is not a second to waste. Your driver might end up in the barriers on track from your decisions, but away from the track also, there is no respite. You must look after your pit crew, with the decisions you make influencing their morale and the whole team. Along with this, upgrades, development, sponsorship and financial choices are all in your hands, so there is always something to watch out for. There's a new race mode called Race Replay for this year's game, and there are 2 aspects. Starting Grid allows the player to take control of any team from a certain race in the 2023 season, as you take on the starting grid and track conditions from that race, with your decisions around strategy, driving styles and tactics hopefully creating for a better outcome for your team. Race Moments is the other aspect, and a real game changer for F1 Manager this year. This drops you into a team-based scenario from a crucial moment that has occurred in a real 2023 race, and your job is to try and alter their results for the better using strategy and tactics. Starting grids and race moments will be added for every race during the season, offering a new way for you to play F1 Manager this year. Pre-order bonus. If you pre-order the game, you get 4 days of early access before the game officially comes out, allowing you to play from July 27th. There are also 3 exclusive race moments, including one for the all-new Las Vegas Strip Circuit that is available from pre-order. The deluxe edition of the game also offers an exclusive scenarios pack, offering 12 unique scenario challenges, which includes both starting grid and race moment challenges. So that's 5 things you can expect from the F1 Manager 23 game, which is available for early access this July 27th.